Welcome back. We will be continuing with our grade 7, grade 8 questions that were published in 2025 August Math Muse. This question is similar to some of the questions that were tested in Math Kangaroo exams in 2023. Here the problem states that there are 12 people in the room. Each person will shake hand with all others only once. How many handshakes will happen? So this is a standard concept that were used in combinatorics, and this is like a very basic concept. Understanding this concept will help us solve many other problems in permutations and combinations. And these permutations combinations, which is called discrete mathematics, that forms a very strong basis for all the courses, all the algorithms in computer science. So understanding these concepts will help you to perform better in university, perform better if you choose computer science major or any other math major. Without wasting any time, we'll go into the details. So the question says that there are 12 people in the room, right? So let us start from enumerating these people. Say that okay, my tip is not correct. I'll start with this. So I'll start with first person in the room. I'll keep writing down 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there are 12 people in the rooms, right? So let us start with the first person. So he's going to shake hands with all the remaining people. So how many hands he will shake? He will be shaking 11 people hands. Let's take the next person. Again, how many hands he will be shaking? So at the same time, he'll be shaking 11 hands. But remember that the handshake between this 2 and 1, we already counted it once here. So it will be 11 minus 1, which is 10. The same logic here. 3, he has 11 more people to shake hands with. But the handshakes he had with 2 and 1, we already counted it here, we already counted it here. So the number of hands, unique handshakes he will have is 11 minus 2, which is 9. So if we apply the same logic here, this will be 8. This person will be unique handshakes that were not counted before will be 7. Handshakes that are not counted before will be 6. Handshakes that are not counted before will be 5. Same 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. So again, the handshake that 12th person will have, we already counted them in the previous handshake. So we'll not be counting any of the handshakes from him. So we'll leave it as 0. So if we add up all these things, this come to be, this we can write it in the form of 11 into 12 by 2. This will be like if you cross this goes 6 times. If you count all of this, it will be 66 times. There's a neat formula that can give us what, say for example, instead of 12, what if it is 13, instead of 13 it is 15. So what we can do is, the method of calculating will be n into n minus 1 by 2. That will be equal to 12 and 11 by 2 here, which will be equal to 66. If there are 13 people, what we do is 13 into 12 by 2, which is 78. But in our case, it is 66.